Today, we're making a holiday classic, gingerbread. And we're joined by Andy, who loves watching 18th century cooking videos online. For this recipe, you'll need 3 quarts of fine flour, 2 ounces of grated ginger, 1/4 ounce of nutmeg, cloves, and mace mixed together, 4½ cups of molasses, 1½ cups of sugar, and 1½ cups of melted butter. Mix together your sugar, molasses, and butter and bring to a simmer. Do not let it boil. A little bit more. Remember, this is gingerbread. There we go. In a large bowl, bring together your flour, ginger, and spice mix. When well mixed, add in your melted butter mix and stir to combine.
Good job.
When your dough is ready, turn it out onto a well-floured surface and use a well-floured rolling pin to roll it out flat. If you don't have a cookie cutter, use a knife to cut out your gingerbread person. The other one. He's got a...
Now, are they brass buttons or are they pewter buttons?
Brass.
Are they horn?
Are they horn?
Alright, so he's got some little buttons on. Place your gingerbread in a 350-degree oven for 9 to 10 minutes. While your oven's hot, you might as well go ahead and bake a loaf of bread as well. While you wait, enjoy all the delicious smells coming from your oven. Join us at CI on Saturday, December 18th, where we're going to be making more gingerbread and encourage you to get your hands dirty as well. Until then, we'll see you at CI.